I may as well start. Hi, I'm doing it in the middle of the day. Well, my family is awake. I feel weird about doing it while they're just out there. Oh, hey, my sprite is blinky and fuzzy. I think it's the filter I've got on it. It's all going. No, good thing the sodas were closed. It would have been bad if it suddenly racked itself open. Yes, it is. It is special stream because it is Thanksgiving, and it is a Wednesday. Yes, it is two things. Hey, look, there's almost nothing open. I will fix that in a bit, at some point. But we're basically not doing Linux from scratch today because it's building qtwebengine. qtwebengine is apparently based on Chromium. I know from experience that just the Chromium browser is a hit. So, it's been working on this since like yesterday at some point. It's still not done. We're probably not going to be done for probably not till tomorrow, which is Thanksgiving. So, yeah, no, go to sleep. Yeah, we're basically not going to do it at all. Instead, we are going to, let's see, bring up this, and let me do some visibility of my chat, and let's see. We don't need the tile set. Aha! So, oh, no. Don't you be snapping like that. No. Give me. Thank you. I need to see my chat. Because, well, chat can see it in the stream, technically. I still have to stream on Potato. I cannot see it without having the OBS window visible. And I can't just move OBS over to my side screen, because that's not how that works. Huh? Hey, aren't you updating? Update. Thank you. Thank you for updating on the screen. Anyway, yes. This is the base size of the tiles I was delivered yesterday. I found someone in a different stream who needs work and was more than willing to make me tiles. They are very good, actually. I still have their webpage up. Yeah, it's this person, Celio Ogane. I don't know if anybody will actually end up seeing this, but by the time this shows up, but let's see. Do the copy of that link and put you back down. Oh, Godot! Godot, stop doing that. You know what? I'm gonna smack you against there. You're gonna be tiny. I will hide windows if I need to. But be tiny! Ah. Anyway. Go. Paste. Yes. I can do things like that. I can post a link. That is the person who made me these tiles. And now I have to, let's see, that's my resized version for the 64-bit tiles-ish, I think. This is the, hey, I need to smack you against there too. Close the preview. So, using this as a reference, I have to figure out how to map my tiles. I've never actually mapped terrain on tiles like this before. This is like a professional setup. Okay, how do I arrange this so I can see the bottom of it? The answer, I will be struggling just slightly the entire time. Okay. Technically that will work. We'll see. But yeah, I have never actually made, I've never made tiles or terrains from a professional set before. I don't know what I'm doing. So, you know what? I'm just going to, like, close this. Let me go over here to open the window where you can't see it, because that is important, actually. Let me delete the test file so I can recreate it. Yes. Okay, new tile set, because I don't like how weird that is. Okay, tile width. So the set was delivered in 16 by 16. Carves, rocks. I'm going to technically use it for other things. Oh, come on. Don't show the sidebar. Thank you. You said nothing. Okay. Damn it! I'll just be at risk the whole time. Way, 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 way. Okay. So, new mixed set. Got the weird highlighting off. So, using this base plate and all of these, I have to figure out how the fuck do I do this? I'm also gonna have to look up, hey, how do how do I know when I've got everything? Like, right. Cause I don't know. Okay, I'm going to look at my phone. Because I was trying to look up things there. That I hope will help. See, nope, not that. What? Okay, that was weird. Let's see. Okay. I have a page open that is like. Mm. So technically, this terrain painter is more like a label saying, yeah, it goes this way. Okay. So I have to label where the joins are supposed to go. Okay, so I have to literally match corners and match edges. Easier said than done. Okay, so you're a corner, you're a corner, you're a corner, you're like a corner, corners, corners, also corners, 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 corners. Okay. Then the edges are definitely here. Then you can match edges. Okie Wait, why did my phone ding at me? Phone, why did you ding at me? Oh, more emails. I get flooded with emails sometimes. Okay. So, if I'm reading this right, this is like an island. These should be like that. Like technically this matches along here and these should match along here. Then see that doesn't look right, so maybe it's maybe it goes along the edges here. I'm like interpreting a web page and these tiles at the same time. So maybe it goes like that. Would this do the thing? think maybe it's only an edge match. Um. See. To search terrain's colors so there's some more evoke the terrain they represent. How they connect. Okay. I think I might have this one. Might. Looks like these seem to be walls. Seems to be a platform. This is like an island. Okay, I must do 400% Zuma. Yes. Do more Zuma. Okay, I'm gonna do an erase because I need to see what the heck I'm doing here. See if these match. It doesn't look like these two really match at the corners properly. Like these match on the sides. And that suggests that it shouldn't match in the center, so... Oh, wrong! So it would just... no, wrong! Okay, so it'd just be like... this, basically. I think. Because these are technically like empty air. So it shouldn't have any match. This should... it seems like it's doing the same thing where... okay, let me erase all this again so I can see what I'm doing. See, it almost looks like... see, the center of this almost looks like the center of this. With the inner ground in there. That would suggest... I would suggest that we match the inner ground bits. And the insides of these... ah! No! No. And then we leave that alone. I think. Is my inexperience showing? I kind of hope it is. Can I like... where is the... at least I can see the entire tile set now. Okay, let's do another erase because I have no idea where I'm at. Ah! Okay, let's do this 4, I think. Wait, no, I'm trying to erase them. No, I can see again. It's got the little spaces like I'm not supposed to match those. It's like I feel like where there's lines, it's supposed to not be matched. Where it's got dark spaces, it's not supposed to be matched. But then some of it's like, wait, yes, it has to be matched, so... See, that's really open. Dang it. One streamer I know who might be able to help me is supposed to be off of streaming for the day. It's these 4 blocks that I don't know what the heck to do with. Oh, and this chunk here that's like extra, I think. I think I can probably do a match across all of them. Maybe? Or wait, no, see that's simply different in the middle. Maybe I need to do that and make a new terrain, and this is the depths of darkness in which it is painted. Maybe? Oh, hi! Hi, I'm just trying to figure out how to paint tiles at all whatsoever. This is like a test because I can do the same thing in Godot, but I don't know how to paint the terrains and the tiles in the first place. I am slowly losing my brain on this. Already! I just started. Squint. Because these faces suggest I'm not supposed to find. There's spaces here, spaces there, maybe. It's a very, very long shot. Uh, I don't like that. Something doesn't seem right. What do I do? This web page doesn't really help. It's only. So this is supposed to be where. Should be the same. Yes, it shows kind of the same, but do I know what's going on? No, I don't. Hey, I don't care if you're on the folder. Okay. Okay, we'll just delete you and do an erase it. We'll try this all again because I am squinting at it and I am going. Ah. Erase, 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 erase. Okay. So, let's see. Why is this so hard for me? It's not even the middle of the night. My brain's just broken trying to figure this thing out. Let's see. Does it have a match to anything else I kind of sort of know? Let's see if that really is just a loopity. Let's like match all these corners. Then match their edges. Finishing. So I do that. What if that matches that? And should like match that? Ah, feels wrong. Feels wrong. These, I think I got them right originally. I think these ones can match on their inner tiles. No, let me delete that spot. Because then I think these ones will match like the other pattern. Okay, let me take a third look at this. Just that this terrain set will kind of look like this to basically map the shadows or where there's no more. I feel like this would map all the edges. In here on the inside. So it is just this batch of 16 that I can't figure out how they actually fit together. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with them. If I oh, that's like a blue one tile over? Huh, weird. Why can't I go horizontally now? I'm gonna close you as far as I can. I have like six colors to do this all with. I've figured out. They're all technically the same. They're just like recolors that I shall use for special stages. But actually doing this mapping, I basically am stuck at, I don't know what I'm doing. Help. Help. If I go based on where it's dark, Still end up leaving some tiles out, though, which is what I don't like. Okay. What if I follow where these spaces are? I can still try that. I can still just go, okay, we'll exclude where the spaces are. So that would mean... erase this point. I would suggest that. Same for this. Let me keep to the thing that's keeping me semi-sane. Ish. I think maybe, and then we would do that, I guess. Okay, do that. No! Well, yeah, actually. No, 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 no. You don't know yet. You don't know yet. I mean, if we go by where these little dark spaces are, this should be right. Okay, child is doing a thing. I shall be back. Okay, so child was throwing things. Whether it was dad technically doing stuff and she was imitating it or not, I don't know. Anyway, okay, so uh based on this, Brain says we probably just leave where the dark spaces are as empty space, and that will probably work. Mostly. We hope. Wait, why is there an empty? Do we... I can't tell if that's an error and how it's split, or if we're supposed to, like, leave that empty too? Because it kind of went based on the position of the small boxes, or the half boxes. I should probably restart the computer. It keeps flaring up that, oh hey, you've got a phone call coming in, but then it doesn't show anything at all. It used to at least show something. Console. News. Patterns. Oh hey. Uh, uh... Huh. Go in there. What am I looking for? Here we go. Name Tyler 1 custom. Nope, no custom properties. Right. They're technically two different sizes because I made the mistake of going, yeah, this will work. Can I please change your properties? Oh, you are up and over here. Nope. No. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, we're gonna have to hide the window for a moment because we need to go, let's see. Do a new map. Let's see. We need to do this and do this and there we go. Let's see. Test. Okay, now we can come back. Yeah. And 100%. Okay. I don't know. Can I get like an even box? I managed it. I managed an even box. Box. Is shape fill to rectangular. So where? I don't know. Bucket. Bucket. I can erase. Okay, so I can paint with the individual tile sets, or I can paint with the terrain sets, and I don't know what I'm doing with the terrain sets. Can I please like deselect everything? Select none. Thank you. It is official. I haven't the faintest idea what I'm doing. So the patterns. What happens if I just erase everything? Okay. Da 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 da. Erasing, erasing, erasing. Da 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 da. Erasing, erasing, erasing. Okay, that tells me. So when it's lit up, it's everything I'm missing. Okay. Oh, okay. So let's see. Okay. Oh, I hear the sounds of a bath. I hear the sounds of a bath happening. Okay. Ah, it's only when I have two. That'll dump out everything for me. Okay. But this does kind of help me, so the red patterns are technically what I need? Technically? This is like every possible combination that I could have. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's see. So, I think this is just the edges. Let's see. Because I think thick lines are where it's supposed to be like, maybe not registered? Maybe? See, this is, what's not helping is that these are all like different sizes in here and it's hard to tell. And I don't even know where this template in thingy comes from. If I knew, that would actually help a lot for knowing, hey, what am I supposed to do here? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Otherwise, I am basically guessing. So, I think I'll just recreate our pattern here of the absolute guesswork. Okay. Then I see. Uh, okay, and then okay, yeah, that might actually be a bug in how this is drawn, ostensibly, because otherwise we won't have this entire set. But that, if I'm reading this pattern correctly, that would be weird. Okay, do that and then do that. Okay, then okay, then here it's that. And that. It's that and that. I think that's it. I think. I hope. Maybe. Yeah. I don't know. Sadly, I don't know. Like I could still fix it if I need to. I'm just like scribble, 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 scribble. Scribble, 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 scribble. Oh yeah, then I need to like finish it over here. I forgot, because this is like basically doing the repeats of this, but with a separate terrain in green and this one in red. And then We technically don't have many patterns at all, actually. Whee! Uh, but I don't know that we actually need all these combinations, ostensibly, because this should be how it works, I think. Ah, that didn't work. Select none. Select all. Okay, cool. Uh, well, select none. Oh wait, select all and delete. Blip. Empty. Yay! Yes. Okay. Stump that down. I'm gonna check on this for giggles. Third party blank render course twice. Let's see. Object, third party, blank, renderer, core, image loader. Wait! You're never going to be done, are you? It is going to be tomorrow, and you will still not be done. You have been building for like overnight. Actually, I had it started again yesterday simply because I had to like build another library. I technically started 2 days ago, but I had to build another library because this failed in the middle with a saying, oh, hey, you need this library that we didn't actually declare beforehand. Yeah. So I had to go install that, and then I had to restart all this. That was fun. Fun. Like, the imaginary quotes. Okay. So, if I'm in you, you're not going to whine and complain. Alright, let's see. See, there's my screens. My reference, so I don't want to keep you. Okay. I better make sure. Okay, yeah. So I can. Hey. We're going to reduce you down over there. So I can. Wait, you will expand, right? Yeah. Okay. That way I can hide if I need to open that. Yay, another one. Jeez. Okay. So you are sheets. Right, you are loose tiles. Nope, go into sheets. Thank you. I will delete all of you. Right, you're just a. Let's see if I can expand this. Sort of. It's like this is a reference to what I was basically trying to make a tile or it's tile sheet in the first place, but I kind of don't need it anymore. Gotta get rid of that. Let's see. This is a Godot resource. It is for my audio. So don't really want to move that. Export presets. Default icon. I could move that. I don't really want to. Screen to screen. Assets, add-ons. Yeah, there's nothing in there right now. Let's see my fonts. Licenses. Yes, they are here for easy reading if you dig into the source code or dig into it. Scripts for everything. The sheets. Okay, this just tells me where in the atlas anything is. But I could probably also just like go stare at it and do it. So I'm gonna go close you. Close you, close you. Right, here, just documentation output. Get that bigger. Okay. We select you and you, you, and delete. Yes, do a remove. I could have exported my dino as one single thing, but I had made him in separate things, so that well. Okay. So we probably want to set up the tile resource in here. Okay. Let's see. Texture 2D, animate texture. No, don't want a texture. Animation, no. Clear. Okay, don't need shapes. Don't need 2D shapes. I don't need fonts. I don't need a script right now. I don't need hey! Neat. Okay, nope. Don't need any of you. Oh my god. Nice, these are experimental, aren't they? Yeah. Okay. Test it. Test it out the source. Set of scenes. Okay. Okay. Okay, I probably do want to do this. Let's see. Calves, rolls. Save that. Okay. That's a shader editor, animation player, animation. Can I please edit you? I might have to create the nodes and then do stuff. Alright, let's see. Okay. That means we need to actually effectively deal with what happens when we click start. Okay. What was my plan for this? Okay. Let's see. Notes. I think I set up all that. Okay. Okay. We're gonna have to set up things that we have to pass to the new scene, huh? Okay. Let's make a user interface. Give you whole thing. Okay, you are the full size, right? Good, 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 good. Okay. Let's see, we rename you and you'll become the name of the base. Let's see. Oh, let's just call you Start because we'll load the game separately. Go up, go up. Yes, save. Let's see, add child node, color, rectangle. You will also anchor to the full thing. You will not be blinding white. Ow. Stop being blinding white, thank you. Okay. The copyright notice. Copy you. And where are you? Paste. There we go. Get that in. I might have to update all the copyright notices to say 2026 by this point. Let's see. Okay, let's copy the title and paste. There we go. Let's see. Copy. Paste. Options. Let's see. Start. I don't actually have to do that because this font is like capitalized the entire time, no matter what, always. But see. Okay. We will add a new child node. We need a box. Well, no, we need a container. Do we just want the basic ass box or do we want a fancy box? Yeah, we don't need a collapsing. Hmm. Yeah, screw it. We'll just do this. Have it be for the copyrights. Do an anchor in the middle. And my emails are just piling up again. Let's see. Tank to start. Oh, nope. Yeah, let's do go ahead. Okay, your alignment shall be in the center. We just have everything go boing. Let's see. Rename. Game options. Oh, you know what? It is dark in my office. I should turn the light on so that it is not dark in the office. Where the light switch always wants to hide. There we go. Now my lamp is on. I'm going to be bad and have a soda. Give me soda. Okay. So we renamed the node. Okay. It's where I could throw in the color palette option later. Okay. So this will need another H box inside it. Rename timer. Let's align Michelle be in the center. Let's see. You don't really need to expand child node. Okay. Don't need that. Let's see. Label. Blech. Oh, come on. Come here. To center. Theme overrides font sizes. Like, no! Too far. Okay. Let me spell right. Okay. Add new one. Okay. Now, since I don't actually know what I'm looking for, button. Button. A check button. Yes. Let me set theme overrides font sizes. 24. Doesn't really do anything. Oh. I don't need this then. See, delete. Yes, delete. No! Get back! Okay. Behavior center. That doesn't really matter much. Disabled. Right now, actually, yes. It will be disabled because I'm not going to implement the timer yet. Toggle mode. Button is in toggle mode. Button state is not going to be pressed. Shit in mode. Okay. Let's see, don't respond to anything else. Okay. Button group shortcuts. Okay. Alright. So, that option is going to be disabled for a while. Let's see. Oh, wait, that means I don't actually need to have this, even. Yes, delete that. Okay, now I can rename, where's rename, timer. There! I didn't need that. Okay, I need to set layout. Container sizing. It needs to shrink to the center, actually. Thank you. That way it looks right. It's just like hanging out in the center here. Okay. Like I plan to implement the timer when kiddo's old enough, but right now, no, we don't need the timer actually implemented yet. Button. Need a fancy button? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. I might have to change this to a check box later, but in the meantime, button. Okay, and theme overrides. I should probably set the label settings, but I've been doing okay with just manually doing it. Okay, rename. We'll call it launch in here. Okay. Global. So this is when it sets up. Process. I don't actually need a process frame in the global menu. Let's see. Like I have plenty here. This sets up my saving. Since I'm not using it yet, I'm just not worried about whether I save the timer function or not. This is my score saving function. It has to return the name they provide, especially if it differs from the default, and it has to return the final score. Then it does a sort if it does that. It should return. We need this to return a value too. Okay. Let's see. It's in the right line. There we go. Just say. Okay, yeah. Because I don't know how that's going to work. Okay, anyway, let's close that. Variable setup. Yes, commenting is actually kind of hard if you can read that. It says, holy shit, commenting is actually kind of hard. Yeah. Let's see, default values for the scoreboard. So, let's see. So, main menu. We are going to set this on its pressed. Okay, we're going to kind of do what we've done with the rest of these. Get tree dot change scene to file. It is going to go to start. Okay, then it's working. I know that works because I first did it in this screen. Ah, I just want to show it off. Raw, 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 raw. Blah. And oh, that's a fun thing. I gotta fix that. Section just pressed. Eh. Ah, no. Okay, so we can't do that there. Main menu. Just pressed. Ah! There we go. There we go. It has to be just pressed in here. Okay. Fix that weird bug that I didn't even know existed. Okay, let's see. Okay, gotta fix it over here too. Action, okay, probably in everywhere where I use just that, gotta fix it. Nope, just pressed. Okay. That section just pressed. Right, I can't just copy that. Okay. Just pressed. Okay. Ah! Okay. So this operates as like a floating window here. Okay. I guess we're not going to do that. You. No, no, go back here. Go to full screen. You are anchored to full screen. Yep. Okay. Make sure you're set right. You're still set to. Ah! Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, run justice scene. There we go. Okay. I mean, I guess technically I don't actually need the container anymore because I think it was holding like everything else. You know what? That means we're also going to have to add other things like copy, paste. Yeah, okay. Alright, now you. Huh? Okay, what if we happen to delete this? Okay, you don't actually. Okay. Expand. Expand. Okay, good. So we can still set this. Now I'll play this scene. Okay. 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 So what's gonna have to happen is we're actually going to see copy instead of queuing itself for freeing, paste. It's going to do a swap. Let's see on credits. We're going to swap it to what the rest of these do. Get tree no tree dot change scene to file and do the credits. There we go. And now credits. Well, yeah, no longer phases out. Okay. Yeah, it's technically so. The credits was receiving the signal to exit, but so was the main menu because it was originally just a floating window on top. We don't need it to be a floating window on top, technically. So, there we go. No longer a floating window. I'm gonna check you. You have... Oh, hey! You just jumped to something new. So, in the Linux from Scratch project, they reported that apparently it managed to crash like 90% of the way through because it's actually hideously unoptimized in there internally. So we might just have to come back, see it's crashed, and rerun the build and install commands again, since I linked those together just to, if it finishes building without a problem, it'll keep going. Okay. What did I need to do? Oh, right, I was manipulating you. Okay, you've got it. Okay. You are going to need a script too now. Let's see, attach a script. New. Go into assets and scripts. Yes. Oh boy. I think I'm practically going to do everything but actually build a tile. Because I have to, like, make everything else that relies on the tiles. Oh god. Okay, I don't need you in here. Yeah. Okay. You're arranged alphabetically. I kind of don't like that. Anyway, let's see. Hang on. Back to main menu. Back to main menu. Right. I forgot a button in here. The exit button. The copy you. And do a paste. You're above here. Anchor you down there. Let's see. You're going to sit above. Okay. Okay. You're going to sit above there. Let's see. Right. These buttons do not currently do a goddamn thing, but they are installed. Okay, script. Let's see. Clearly just grab any of these. Alright, copy. Oh wait, no, we don't really need to grab that part. Can grab, copy, start, right, exit, node, pressed, connect, clear the extra space, paste you in, there. Now you work. There we go. Ah. What am I doing? Right. Then we'll copy that out and replace pass with this. Because right now, that's really all it needs to do. That's all process really does in most of these screens. It's just, hey, yeah, listen for input. If it's just been pressed, do the exit function. I mean, I could technically also just copy these lines in. I feel like I got the function right now, I just reuse it. It makes sense when I started doing it that way. So I don't know. Maybe I could do it differently, but I don't care to right now. I've had to go through several screens to change that, and I don't want to. Okay. So. Alright. 2D scene. Rename. Player. I have to program the player now. That means I also get to figure out what am I doing with actually, let's see, online docs. Okay. I want animation player. 2D sprite animation. Let's open this up. See, because we want to do it with this, and we want to do it with this. And you also, here we are, animation tree down here. Okay. Close you. The animation property of class 2D. Sprite 2D. So. So first. Let's see. You need a collision shape. Oh, I need to. Wait, sorry. Delete. Yep. Okay. There is okay. What? Oh, come on. Character body 2D. Okay, here we go. And now we add the collision shape to it. You need. Nope, nope. Okay, let's see. Let me give you. Let's see. Right. We'll start with you. New sprite frames. Let's see, make it local to the scene. Idle. Okay. Let's see. Let's see, it's the base. Idle. Whoop. Delete you. Okay. Now frames from a trace sheet. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Sheets. Okay. 6-4, 6-4. Separation. I had no separation. Auto slice. Select all. Add the 4 frames. Let's see. Nope. I need to. Heef! Oh, you're small. You small, buddy. Let's see. Wow, you are like jittery. Huh. Weird. Let's see. Okay, something seems to have happened. Let's see. Whoa, whoa, why did you do that? What? Okay, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, let me file open. Go to Kate. See idle. Okay. Properties. It's 4x64 frames. 4. Okay. Cancel. Okay, I can bring you back over. Smush you there. Okay. Okay, let's see. Export spreadsheet. Layouts, right, sheet type packed. Okay, sprites, visible, horizontal frames. Okay, let's do a horizontal strip. Let's just do it that way. Merge duplicates, do a preview, sprite, source sprite, sprite grid. Ah! No! Sprite. Okay. Frames, all frames, selected frames. No, I want all frames. Okay, I have a spacing of 2 actually. Okay. Huh? Inner padding. We can make it 2. Wait, it's visible, output, export. Okay. Let's see. Now we cut it from. Whoa, cancel. Okay. Re-import. Wait. Oh, no. Okay. Come on. Ah! Okay. Window. Okay, let's see. Oh, this isn't helpful. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's see. Should have dumped into here. Wait. That's because I'm looking in the wrong spot now. Okay. Sheets, come on. We'll delete you. Delete the old one. Okay. Right, because you're over here. I'll dump you. Come into here. Now we go. Okay, cancel. What? Where's. Ah. Still not in the right spot. Okay, now let's try you. So vertical separation 1, 2. Come on. Cancel. Okay, try not. Okay. Open. Okay. What are you doing? Come on. Come on. 2. Why are you forcibly setting at 2? Select all. Add these 4. That's better. Shit. Okay. Okay. We gotta re-add this. Creation 2, 2, 4, 1. Select all. Okay. Okay. Good. Great. So now you're working right because you're finally sliced correctly. Ah. Okay. Let's reset you to 0. Soda, bad for me. I don't seem to care. I'm basically just dorking around. He's just fuzzy. Okay. It's like he's in an active state, waiting to do stuff. Okay. New animation. Let's see. Crouch. Let's see. What do you mean? Hmm? What? Uh, let's see. Let's see if I need to reslice the roaring. Uh, uh, why are you? Ah, fuck! I'm gonna have to reslice you too. Okay. How'd it work fine here? Huh? Wait, is this nose cut off here? Hmm. Okay, can I please zoom in? Thank you. Doesn't look cut off explicitly. We're still gonna have to reslice this, I think. Something is going on. Or it's not working right. Let's see. We're gonna have to reslice all these, I think. Let's get this one done. Actually, we can open all of them. Let's see. Open. See, don't need the gifts. Or the idol now, because we already redid that one. And and we don't need the dying. Reopen all those. Okay. Because now I have to go re-exporting all of these to the sprite sheets. Okay. File export sprite sheet. Okay, cancel. Let's see. See, delete. Yes, delete. You didn't really do what I needed you to do because I had it on the wrong settings. Horizontal strip. Make it strippy. Make it a little strippy. Sprites, border padding 2. No! 2. Missing. Output. Horizontal strip. Hey. Okay. Okay, do an export. Let's see. And repeat last export. So this should do everything as export. It's basically a big old strip with known separations. Repeat last export. Let's see, repeat last export. Repeat last export. Okay, go down. Sheets. Okay. Let's deal with the roaring stuff right now. Let's see, delete you. Okay. Move. Move. Okay. Okay, first slice the... What? You should have been a... Oh, come on. You're shitting me. Ah! The only one that did it right was the walking. Open. Okay. I need you. I need you. I need you. I don't need you. I will need you. I need you again. Need you. I don't need you because you apparently worked. Okay. So apparently I can no longer use repeat last export. I have to come set all of these manually. I have to set the layout and the borders. Export. Okay. Export sprite sheet to horizontal strip. Export. Okay. Export sprite sheet. Horizontal strip. Okay. I better make sure it's actually... Yes, they're generating in the line now. Okay, let's see. Yes, I will do that. Okay. So I'm going to redo you. Let's see. Export spreadsheet to horizontal strip. Okay. Horizontal strip to export. Okay. Export spreadsheet. Come on. Do the spreadsheets right. There we go. Okay. Okay, move to sheets. Move. Okay, you. There we go. Oh, come on. Why are you not doing the separation right now? Great. It's not letting me set the separation. Ah, there we go. It forcibly separated it. Select all. Add the 4 frames. Okay. Okay. And select all. Okay. And let's make sure this thing still works. There we go. Okay. Let's see. You are not a play on load. You still look right. Okay. Now maybe we can finally slice this right. Okay. Yep, this is all the crouching as is. A squish down to half my size. Okay. Now, the roaring slice. Let's see. Let's see. Why was it fighting me before? Select all. Add 4 frames. Rah! Okay, we're also going to make a, Technically, it's okay if this one snaps back because you're trying to, like, move. Lock. Wait. Yeah. Let's see. 5, 6. Select all. Nope, select all. Alright, here a loop. Okay, that looks storky. This one does not loop. Okay. You're not technically looping. You don't really need anything else. Ah! How did I have him in 15? Yeah, okay, so that works about right. Okay, reset you. Okay. So let's see. You don't matter. You are the auto start. You. You are over. Okay, so let's see. Death. Get your sprites. 3, 2, 1. 5. And select all. You don't loop. Most of it's probably going to be at 15 then. Bleh, bleh. Everything dies. He goes, bleh. Okay, reset your frame then. You're not a looper. Let's see. Okay, we've got the crouching, we've got the dying. Let's see, you don't need to loop. Eat. Alright, grab your sprite sheets. 3. Nope. Select all, add 3 frames. Okay, okay. Eating idle. Alright. So the jumping's probably going to be a little weird. Jump. See. Select all. Okay, so it doesn't loop. This is when it's just leaving the air. I have to figure out how to calculate so that when it lands, then it jumps to frame 2. Like, then it goes to this. I can probably delete this frame. A lot of these I can technically delete the base frame when it doesn't really matter. See, like there it matters. It's technically part of it. And you do a loopy. I think the bug is just how fast it's updating the frame. Okay, let's see. Oh, and then I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, I need one more. Trap. Okay, add your frames. Okay. There we go. Add 3 frames. Okay, you don't need to loop there. I'm sorry, you just don't. You finish and you snap back to idle if they're not moving. Okay. So far that's everything like set up after fixing all the tile maps for you. All your sheeties. Okay. Okay. So collision shape now. Collision shape, let's do you a rectangle. Transform. Oh, let's manipulate your handles. Oh, let's set you on idle. Okay. stretch your shape. Okie dokie. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. 2 scale. 3 scale. 4 scale might be too big. 4 scale? Oof, yeah. Alright. 3.5 scale. That's a little much. 3.25. Hey, there we go. It's ready for roaring. I can't want you to play right now. Hmm. Okay, so he risks being shot if it hits the upper part of the collision shape. But we can also make the hunters just fire along this line instead. Okay. Oh boy. Let's see. What did I need for all these variables? Oh, you know what? I need to fix my project. Wait, it's project settings, input map. I need to fix this. I need to add. Let's see. Shift. Yes. Key code. Okay. There we go. Go fix that one. Mapped. Okay. Right. I did need a. I'm technically missing a frame. So we're going to have hurt. We're going to nope. We want that one. Like something like that. Okay. I do a speech. Okay. I think gonna have to script you specifically. The game backend is technically the so we will need to in the backend script there will need to be a let's do a ready var level equals because we're going to multiply things by the current level, so it needs to be available. I know it's not currently used. You can whine about it all you like. Oh wait, you're technically just highlighted, but that's not in light blue, which means it's not currently being used. Okay. See outputs. We're just going to close that entirely, and you are going to get yourself a script. Object empty. You are going into the scripts file. Okay. Oh, let's see. Reparent. Cancel. Okay, cut. Oh, wait, Control Z. Okay. We're going to cut all of you. Delete. You don't need that as a paste from clipboard. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. We gotta redo all that work. Yep, we get to redo it all now. Okay. Okay, so let's see. I need 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. Yes, I want to delete it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right at once. Let's see. Okay, I had a frame. Right. And now, let's see. Crouching, dying. You don't need to loop. Huh? What? Oh. don't save. We're just going to do the little cheating method of remake it. Because I kind of fucked it up. Oh, I see. Cancel. Delete. That's just screwing me up. Other node. Okay, we're going to character body 3D. Okay. Rename. Layer. Child node CE. Collision shape 2D. You will be a rectangle. I know that now. Child node and may it's sprite 2D. Yeah. Straight frames. Resource local to the scene. Again. Okay. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Alright. Let's redo all these before I jump off board at the moment. Let's see. Crouch. You don't really matter. Let's see. Grab this frame. Good. Okay. Now dying. Don't loop you. Death. Load your frames. 5. 4. 2D4. Nope. 4. 2. 2. Let's see. Add those. Bleh. Huh. Okay. Do, do, do. Oh. Okay, so that doesn't actually matter. Huh? Oh, and the last thing I will need to put on here, camera. There we go. Save. Oof! Itty bitty. Okay, we're going to do 2. Okay. There we go. That's visible. Alright. Anyway. Let's see, we got through that. Now we gotta do an eat. Open you. Oh wait, cancel. Don't need you to autoplay that. Okay. 3, 1. Do that. Add all their separations. Add these 2 frames. Copy paste. Okay. Okay. Idling. Nope. Your default. Idle. Add your frames. Do that. Separation. Select all. Add 4 frames. Oh, jeez. Nope. Come on. Nope. Okay, now we can manipulate you. And there you go, center in the view. Okay. Jumping. Jump. Okay, yoink your frames. 2, 3, 2. Oh wait, there's 3 frames in here. Right. Even if I'm only using 2 of them. Add these 2 frames. You do not loop. And you're actually gonna need special coding. Once the map is there, gonna have to adjust the collision shape a lot. Roar. Okay. Nope. Let's see. Roar. I seem to have added one too many. Somehow. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, I only need like 9, but I've got 10 files, so that's what. Or I have 9 files, so I basically mix myself up. Let's see, go down. And select all. Add them all. You don't need to loop. Let's see, you, I can probably do a delete on. Right, because one of these has to be a cart, and it's going to take the first frame out of here. And a frame. That doesn't matter if you are in that. Okay. Don't need to have that loop. Right. Gotta fix the name too. And 3 frames. Trap. Okay. That makes this the last one walk. You do loop. Go in here. 5, 6. Done. Let's see. And select all. There we go. It's like, hey, shift. No. There. Okay. We did all of that. Okay, the camera. Let's see, ignore rotation, anchor mode, shrink center. Offset. During physics frames or idle frames, okay. Let's see, position smoothing. The bouncy, 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 bounce, bounce, bounces, bouncy, bounce. goes that bouncing. Okay. Drag. That's the drag do? Okay, editor. Okay. I don't think I set the drag here. Let's see. That's collision shape. Alright, transform scale 2. Right. Is it like 3? Yeah, it's like 3. Oh, wait. Let's just try. Let's just try now. Oh. 3.25. Okay, cool. That actually fits the sprite perfectly now. Fine. Fancy, fancy, fancy. I don't know, I just keep wanting to go bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay. Okay. Access mode, inherent physics interpolation mode. What does this do? Okay. I don't really know if I need to deal with any of that right now. Input. Pickable. Okay, let's see. Okay, collision. Whoop, safe margins. Okay. No. 1. There we go. Slightly up. Okay, platform on leave. Add velocity. Let's see. Okay, let's see. You're on collision layer 1, mask 1. Let's see. 32 different layers. Ah, okay. We just see the first state by default. Let's see. Alright, so you're in layer 1. Let's have you scan 8 layers. Alright. Okay. Well, apparently I didn't actually get back to working on tiles. But, I got somewhere on making this little guy actually living in the world. Well, I suppose whether I come back tonight or not, we'll just keep on working on making the game part of this game, because we've got basically all of the main menu stuff done, realistically speaking. And anything else will be added later. You spat out a bunch of errors. Just keep building, qtwebengine. Just keep on building. There's nothing I can do till like tomorrow anyway at this rate. Because I've got all your dependencies built. As far as I know, you haven't errored out saying, hey, I'm missing another dependency. So, yeah. Anyway, we're going to hit the end of this stream for now. I don't know if I'll come back tonight or tomorrow, but tomorrow is Thanksgiving. If you're alone this Thanksgiving, let me just throw something up here. Let's see, text. Do a new thing. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. We'll just adjust my scene while we're at it. Da, 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 da. This number. If you're in the US and you're alone, and very, very alone, or alone feeling, don't be afraid to call this number. It's not actually going to link to the cops. That is a vicious rumor spread online due to the problem that they are mandatory reporters. Like, if they think you're in danger, they have to tell somebody. And unfortunately, cops are busybodies. But you call this number if you're super lonely and alone and not feeling great, and they can talk to you. And they will be there. Yes. And I will show it again tomorrow or tonight or whenever. I might even add it to my start and end cards. Maybe I'll do fancy effects on it. Or not. Anyway, I have to leave the stream for now. So, you're all being kicked out. Bye!